Hi, in front of me is Umidigi S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and click on Security and Location. Tap on Face Unlock, choose Enroll Face and enter your current login method. Now read the disclaimer, click at the blue button and read the instructions. After that, get ready to scan your face and click OK. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!